Welcome everybody. Guess what? Got the hat on. Raining. Look, everything is wet. Good way to start our Monday. We just got this tree done. We're doing all the hedges here, all the way around both sides and the neighbor. So I'll bring you guys along with us to show you guys what we got going on here. Alright, we'll go see what we got going on here. Stopped raining. I didn't get the end of the last job. Last job was 3 jobs ago because it was raining too hard. I said no way, I just want to get out of here. Things are looking good. All right, just finishing up this big one here. This is right behind out back here. We were just out back there. We just did that house right over there. So I'll show you guys. Look at this big one. See where the hedges are no good there? It's because there used to be a pool here. There must have been a pool right here. So that's why it's like that. You can see the plug over there. Stopped raining. Hopefully it will be good for the rest of the day. All right, I'm going to show you guys where we are here. We have one customer here behind me. We did for a long time, but the house has been sold and somebody else did it. That's okay. We have no problem with other people working. Everyone's allowed to work. So we're doing this one here. I want to show you guys. This guy has a pool here. It's built into the rock. So I'll show you guys that. A big ledge. Huge ledge here. Then they put the pool in. So they obviously had to cut some of this ledge to get the pool in. Must have been quite a job to get that pool in here. Must have been some extra expenses for that. The ones that did the hedge next door did a nice job, looks good. That big one there, they did a nice job, hadn't been done for a couple of years. Actually did a nice job on it. I don't know who did it, but it looks good. All right, let's see what's going on. bring you the next one. So you see how we put the tarps down? Bunch of flower beds under there. Yeah, ledge everywhere. Rain, rain, rain. Well, at least we got our day in. We got it in with the rain. Well, that's it. Everything's done. Everything is put away. I'm gonna go do my estimates. It's 4 o'clock and I want to rock. I think I might be getting my feet wet tonight. All right, so you guys enjoy the video.